I'm Dr. Carrie Miller, and I'm just here to tell the story of a patient of ours, a really remarkable story of someone who came in to see us, at a woman at age 42, Tammy Weiss. She was actually carried in by her husband because she was so weak that she couldn't even walk anymore. She had had stage 4 breast cancer and had exhausted all the alternative treatments that she could find. She was really, really afraid of any kind of conventional medicine, hadn't done any chemotherapy or radiation because of this overwhelming fear that she had of that kind of medicine. And her husband basically carried her in and said, "Is there anything you can do?" Basically, she's, at the end of her life. And she had a 10-year-old daughter at the time, had been married at that time for 15 years, and her husband really loved her. And we sat down and discussed options, and basically by working through her fears, we discussed a combination treatment using some conventional medicine as well as the combination with the naturopathic medicine, and she agreed to try that. So we put her on a protocol of the nutritional IV therapy, the vaccines, and an oral protocol of supplements and diet counseling. And within 3 months, she had already started perking up a little bit and was starting to have more energy and feel better. Within 6 months, she was driving again and back at work. And her quality of life improved greatly. She lived a strong, healthy life. She was able to exercise and work and raise her daughter and participate in life again. Basically, she lived that quality of life for another 6 years. And she was able to see her daughter turn 16 and celebrate her 25th wedding anniversary. And she lived a good, healthy, happy life up until about 3 months before she died. And even in that passing, she was a lot more comfortable and less afraid than she was even when she started. So we consider Tammy Weiss one of our success stories because we extended her length and quality of life, which made a big difference to her and her family.